You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this beautiful city, the capital city of Italy. If you want to learn how it's pronounced in Italian, how they say it in Italy, stay tuned. I have another video for you to learn that and hear it. But that's your English pronunciation here. Rome. 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 It's easy once you know Rome, Italy. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.